everyone, today I am going to make a lava lamp. So let's start to make a lava lamp. First we need to put 2 spoons baking soda. Then we need to add some vegetable oil. Now we need to take some vinegar and food color. You can take any color. I am taking orange food color. Now that is our lava lamp. It is ready now.